Hello everyone. Today we'll walk you through the step-by-step guide to implementing an ERP system. But first, in case you need some convincing regarding its worth, according to projections, the worldwide expenditure on digital transformation is expected to reach $3.4 trillion by 2026. Digital transformation is a key factor in the evolution of the organizational processes. Therefore, introducing an ERP system to your organization would not only integrate your data and systems, but it would also help you create a fully digital organization, lower costs because of higher system agility and efficiency, and last, increase employee and customer satisfaction, which help boost market share. Now, let's dive into the 6 steps you need to follow to implement an ERP system. Step 1. Perception. It all begins with the CEOs and managers recognizing the need to implement such systems. The senior players' support and leadership is crucial considering the very complex nature of organizational change and the general resistance to it. Step 2. Strategy planning and formulation. In this step, key stakeholders are interviewed to identify processes, ideas, and needs. Insights also include the scope of change required, the main processes that need to be digitized, and an estimate of resources needed. These insights are analyzed, and a strategy is formulated by planning the main stages, defining priorities, and implementation strategy. Step 3. Planning and micro-strategy formulation. First, stakeholders are interviewed and the output is the organization's current documentation and processes. Then, second, all of the organization's processes are reviewed and optimized to leverage the software. Third, software design plan is developed. This produces the architectural documentation and the software pattern. And last, micro-strategy formulation, in which, based on the previously prepared documentation, production, deployment, and operation strategy, monitoring, support, and upgrading are prepared. Planning and microstrategy formulation occurs simultaneously with the software production process, which, to sum up, begins with the analysis and design, where the prepared documentation is analyzed and designed, followed by implementation, where modern production begins, and then by documentation, where analysis and design, data model, installation documents, and API are documented and updated over time. And last, deployment and support, during which the system is tested for defects, and once fully operational, it is launched and continuously monitored. Step 4. Implementing software systems. During this step, the infrastructure and core services are prepared. Next, based on the defined architecture and the previously set priorities, systems are produced and put into operation. The key is to manage to implement the software into the existing workflow. Step 5. Value creation. Gartner claims that 56% of CEOs say digital transformations have increased their organization's revenue. Therefore, value in software is not just about task completion, but it involves factors like customer satisfaction, solution effectiveness, and business impact, which is why, before a system is launched, it first goes through a trial phase where it is tested and improved to best fit needs, and then launched across the entire organizations. Step 6. Monitoring and maintaining the system, which involves the ongoing monitoring and updating of software in order to maintain productivity and ensure effectiveness and security. Having all systems thoroughly reviewed is crucial and must be considered an ongoing and proactive process. Keep in mind that many companies now produce systems in advance at a lower cost in terms of time and money. This is an efficient way for small and medium-sized enterprises to implement an ERP system. On the other hand, when software systems are developed internally, which is more common for larger enterprises, they can be tailored to an organization's needs. However, potential downsides of sourcing existing systems include: 1. Obsolete technology, due to companies not being able to afford updates. 2. The usage of public facilities, which makes systems less flexible because they're designed to cover a wide range of industries. 3. Lack of integration, which makes it difficult to support, maintain, and transfer information due to the existence of multiple parallel systems. And 4. Lack of sufficient documentation due to many standard software processes not being implemented. To sum up, digital transformation has become more and more appealing to organizations, providing access to real-time data, system integration, cost reductions, and improved customer and employee satisfaction. However, in order for it to be accurately implemented, it requires support by the organization's stakeholders, constant monitoring, and a trade-off must be made between developing it internally to maximize flexibility or outsourcing to save on time and costs. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more content like this.